Morning, everyone. I'm sitting in my car, nice and early at work. Drove to work about an hour. This morning, I want to talk about setting goals. Why are setting goals important? So, setting goals are important for different reasons, right? The first reason is if you set goals, you will have purpose in life, and if you set goals, you will move towards something in life, and also when you set goals you will be able to change your life. And like for me example, most of my life I was setting like small goals. Some goals I completed, some goals like I gave up on many goals. So I've decided to start new goals this year, and I started now. I was thinking of starting next year, but I was like, you know what? Why wait? And we always waiting till next year. We always say, no, January I'll start, next year, new year, start fresh. But for me personally, I decided, you know what? Why wait? Why not start now? So, we always have excuses like, I'm not going to start now, I'll start next year, in a new year, I'll start. So I've decided to start with my goals this like now, and like I've got goals to lose weight. So let me share my goals with you. Number one is to lose weight. So is to eat healthy, exercise every day for 1 hour. Second goal I have is to drink 8 glasses of water every day. Every day, stop drinking coffee. And then a third goal I have is to read book every day for 1 hour. And then another goal I have as well is to focus even though I'm working full time, all my off spare time, I'm going to focus on building my YouTube channel, not just watch YouTube videos and just play Fortnite and waste my time. Use my time as productive as possible. So I just want to encourage you guys this morning: set goals, stay focused. And if you set goals, stay focused, then you'll create purpose in your life. And not only that, you will grow and things in your life. Uh, One of the reasons why you need to have goals is so that you can reach those goals and change your life. So just want to encourage you guys this morning.